In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an image on your slide clickable, allowing it to link directly to a web page of your choosing. This can be a handy feature if you're aiming to create a seamless interactive experience in your presentations. First, let's start by inserting or selecting the image on your slide. You can do this by navigating to your presentation format, whether it's Google Slides, PowerPoint, or another presentation tool, and locating the image you want to work with. If the image is not there yet, you'll need to insert it by choosing the Insert Image option. Once you've inserted the image onto your slide, or if it's already present, click on the image to select it. You'll know it's selected when it appears highlighted with small squares or circles around its edges. Next, draw your attention to the toolbar at the top of the screen. Look out for the familiar link icon, which often resembles a small chain or might just be labeled as link. This is the feature that allows you to attach a hyperlink to your selected image. For those who prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you also have the option to press Ctrl+K if you're working on a Windows machine, or CMD+K if you're using a Mac. This shortcut will bring up the link dialog in the same way that clicking the icon does, making the process quicker for seasoned shortcut users. Now, you should see a dialog box appearing on your screen. This is where you will paste or type the full URL of the web page you wish to link to. It's critical to ensure that you have copied the correct URL from your browser. Navigate to the web page you want to link, copy the URL from the address bar, and bring it back to your presentation. Be sure there are no typing errors, as even a small mistake can prevent your link from working correctly. Once you've successfully inserted the URL into the dialog box, your final task in this step is to click the Apply button, usually found at the bottom of the dialog box. This action seals the deal, so to speak, integrating the hyperlink with your image. And there you have it. The image on your slide is now clickable and will open the linked web page when you enter presentation mode and click on the image. It's a straightforward yet powerful way to enhance your presentations, adding layers of interactivity and web connectivity. This could be particularly beneficial for educational purposes, business reports, or any presentation aiming to direct the audience to additional online resources. As a bonus tip, always double-check your links for accuracy and test them in presentation mode to ensure that everything runs smoothly during your actual presentation. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps make your future presentations more dynamic and interactive.